Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 7th chapter, Understanding Fraction, is going on. We have completed exercise 7a and exercise 7b in that, and we have started exercise 7c yesterday. As I have told you yesterday that one day we will do some questions, and the another day of that I will give you some questions, that same questions to you that you will solve by yourself in your rough copy. So children, today I am going to give you the same question which we had done yesterday. है ना? So I think that you have prepared it because I have told you yesterday also to prepare it. So I think that you are ready to solve the questions. Now children, what we have to do in exercise 7c? We have to reduce a fraction to its lowest term. So what we are doing in reducing a fraction to its lowest term? What we should do? What we are doing to solve this type of question? So we start dividing the fraction with the common factors, and we are reducing that fraction to the lowest term. Lowest term is what? At what place the fraction is not divisible by any other factor except 1. So that is the last stage, or we can say that is the lowest fraction. So children, now let us see the question which I am going to give you for solving. Now be ready with your copy. You can take your rough copy for this. So be ready with your rough copy and pen and start doing the question. Now children, these are the question which we had done yesterday. So exercise 7c, reduce the fraction given below to their simplest or lowest term. So first fraction is 15 upon 25. So as you can see, 15 and 25, 15 upon 25 is divisible by 5, and 5 is the common factor which is dividing 15 also and 25 also. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 25s are 5. Then 12 upon 50, we will divide 12 upon 50 with 2. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 25s are 50. So 6 upon 25 is the simplest term of 12 upon 50. Now the third fraction is 6 upon 10. So we will divide 6 upon 10 with 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Now 3 upon 5 is the lowest term of 6 upon 10. Question number 36 now. Sorry, question number 4 now. 13 upon 26. 13 will be divided by only 13 because 13 is not divisible by any other number except itself. So 13 ones are 13 and 26 also comes in 13's table 2 times. So 13 twos are 26. Question number 5. 32 and 32 upon 40. So 32 upon 40 is divisible by 2. 2 16s are 32 and 2 20s are 40. Now 16 upon 20 will be divisible by 2. We can divide 16 upon 20 by 2. So 2 8s are 16 and 2 10s are 20. Now the fraction is 8 upon 10. Now 8 upon 10 is also divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Now here you can see 4 can be divisible by 2, but 5 will be not divisible by 2. It can come only in the table of itself. So 4 upon 5 is the lowest term of 32 upon 40. Now children, there was homework I had given you yesterday, question number 6 and 7. So let's see this question also, then afterwards I will give you question to solve. So children, 42 upon 60 is the question number 6. 42 and 16 will be divisible by 2. 2 21s are 42 and 2 30s are 60. Now the fraction is 31 and 21 and 30. Now 21 and 30 can be divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21 and 3 tens are 30. Now the fraction is 7 upon 10. So 7 upon 10 is the lowest term of 42 and 42 upon 60. Okay. Now question number 7. 50 upon 100 is. So 50 is divisible by 2 and 100 is also divisible by 2. So 2 25s are 50 and 2 50s are 100. Now the fraction is 25 upon 50. 25 is divisible by 5 and 50 is also divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 10s are 50. Now the fraction is 5 upon 10. Now this can also be divisible by 5. 5 upon 10. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Then the last fraction is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 is the lowest term of 50 upon 100. So this is how we are doing this question. Now children, now you will solve exercise 7C. Here I am writing the question. This question I will again give you in WhatsApp group. So you can copy it from there also or from here also. What you have to do, you have to reduce the fractions given below to their lowest term. Now questions are 12 upon 50. Second is 32 upon 40. Third is 42 upon 60. And fourth is 15 upon 25. And fifth is 13 upon 26. So these are the 5 questions that you will solve it in your rough copy. You can see these questions I will give you again in your WhatsApp group. So you can copy it from there also easily. And children, your today's homework is you will practice question number 8 and 9 in your rough copy. Clear? Once again I am repeating the homework. You will practice question number 8 and 9 in your rough copy. Thank you and have a nice day children.